Yep.
Should have met you in Brooklyn. Late?
Caught a flat.
Oh, on the way?
Yeah.
I figured it had to be something. I was like, damn, you're not. I know you would get hit by now.
These are tubeless, so it's kind of holding the air for now.
You need air?
I put more air in, but it started leaking back out. Let me see if I can find the spot. Yeah, right there.
Oh shit. Yeah. So that's the sealant in there, right?
Yeah, it's like, see, it came all over the bike. Spread like all over the bike.
Yeah. Shit. Where'd you put air? You had a pump?
Yeah, I got my pump.
Okay.
So
What's up, bro?
I was like, let me put in some air, but it wasn't holding all the way, so I'm gonna try again now. Worst case, I got a tube with me.
Just swap it out for the tube?
Yeah. Let me try again.
Yeah, man, that's what scares me about tubeless, man.
Yeah, I gotta get my my Gator skins. Man, I should have brought a fucking thing, extra layer.
How many layers you got?
This is it.
You know what it is?
Just a t-shirt, a regular shirt, and this.
No, I got 2 layers, and then this. And I was gonna take my jacket off because I was running down here. I got here quick. I was doing like, I think averaging 20 probably.
Oh yeah.
I was keeping behind this like lady cyclist.
Mm-hmm.
I thought she could shake me, so I was moving. And then I got down here. I was like, fuck, I'm hot. And then again, I was like, I'm in the shade. Let me just chill.
Yeah.
So I was gonna take the sleeves off, and then I was like, you know what? Now I'm cold there, so I'll just. I think I had something about frost, small craft device.
Frost? Frost?
The thing is like.
With the garment?
Frost advisory, small craft device. Like you gotta keep hitting okay when you start your ride. Thing to me is losing its luster. Like too many guys are doing it.
Yeah.
And I'm like, yo, you know what? You're not getting paid. I'm not gonna fucking sit there for an hour or two just play music for what?
Yeah.
I mean, like it's cool. I did it, but like, people been like, yo, when you going live, hit me on the inbox. Like, nah, I'm not doing it.
Yeah, I feel you.
Love these jogging New Yorkers.
Yeah, you know that Dominican dude, I think I sent him to you. The Dominican dude, he be getting like 70,000 views, yeah, when he goes live. And he be having like the girls dancing and all that shit.
About Don Miguel, yeah. I already knew about him though.
Oh, okay, yeah, I just found out during this pandemic. That dude is crazy, man.
He says? That dude's like serious.
¿Dónde estás la carne?
Yeah.
That's literally all I know.
Yeah. Goes to show how people, well, girls, like, they go crazy.
I know, but they're not getting paid doing that shit. Right. Yeah. It was like it was blowing the bike from under me or something. Shit, they just drink a beer on the sidewalk. They said, fuck that.
Yeah. I was just looking up
yeah.
the bar looks open.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go over here. I know it over here. Brand spanking new. How many miles you got?
11.
Okay.
10.8.
Yeah, I got 12. Yo, this is the seat of my Giordano, because the original seat was just so hard on this bike. Like
They all come like that.
No, I've never had a new bike seat like that ever before in my life.
It was like plastic almost, like you know when it's a hard plastic?
Yeah, almost like a hard plastic BMX bike.
All the big name brands, they all come with those fucking seats, saddles like that.
Yeah, shit is crazy. All right, we could roll up.
Yo, it's crazy. My boy, like, that he be riding with me.
Yeah.
He has that fucking super duper cushion, and he still be like hurting. I'm like, yo, I don't know, bro. Sometimes they say those things don't help.
Yeah, like those wide, big, soft seats don't necessarily help. Holy shit, almost went down. All kind of craziness. Okay. Okay. Yeah, especially on a city bike.
Yeah. I was like, shit, this guy's on a city bike.
Yeah, yeah. 7 o'clock in Midtown on a Tuesday afternoon. It is dead out here.
I know, right?
Weird.
Like, not even like a Sunday.
Yeah. This is like Sunday after holidays. Super dead.
We're talking even like husband not come back for a minute.
Yeah.
Because one, people are not gonna have money. And two, people just don't be scared. Like we the epicenter now. Like
Yeah.
people that way, people from all over the world, you know, stay in a hotel. You know, all the paranoia to myself.
Yeah, yeah. Platinum Dolls. I wonder what goes on there. A restaurant.
Let me show you the hit. It's not that bad.
Oh yeah. Is the latch all right?
Yeah, yeah, it opens up and everything. I checked it the same day. Like,
Oh, okay. It's not too bad.
No,
So-
see, I do have to paint the whole bumper. It's like,
Oh, they're gonna. All right.
yeah, I'm gonna do the whole thing right. I'm gonna take the whole, pop that back out.
Yeah.
Any little imperfection. This right here is me, though. This one, bro.
What?
These homeless dudes.
Oh.
That's why I be scooting it sometimes, bro. Like I park here. Man, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. It's all this walking around, zombies.
Man, yo, the train is the Wild Wild West now, man. I took the train on Sunday for Mother's Day. It was 3 dudes in the car chilling, and dudes smoking cigarettes on the platform, dudes drinking Heinekens.
Like nothing, no fucking deal.
Yo, yo, it's the Wild Wild West out there. That's like on the platform. You go upstairs. I was at Times Square transferring. You go upstairs, the cops are just hanging out.
Yeah, they don't.
Yeah. All right, you out, man?
Yeah. Yo, good seeing you, bro.
All right, man.
Take care of yourself. Hopefully it won't be another 3 years before we ride again.
Yeah.
Enjoy the ride. Well, you got, what, probably like another hour from here?
Yeah, like an hour.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
You're probably like 10 miles.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the west side.
And loop around again?
No, I'm going home. I'm gonna go home.
No, and loop around to go to Brooklyn, or are you just gonna cut?
I'm gonna cut.
You gotta cut. Man.
Cut Canal or Warren Street, like Chambers Street, like by where I work.
Instead of going looping all the way around.
Yeah, no, I don't loop.
You
Yeah.
already did it anyway.
Yeah.
No need to double Strava.
Yeah, yeah. What street are we on? 45th?
Yeah. So you're not gonna be able to get into 46.
All right, 43rd.
43rd, yeah,
Yeah.
and 46.
All right.
So you can just go down to I guess 11th and then go down to 43rd.
Yeah. All right.
All right, bro. Yo, ride safe.
All right, man.
We'll talk.
All right, man. Later.